Okay, good morning students. The topic that today we are going to do is common factors. So we all know what are factors. Suppose if I ask you factors of 6, so it will be factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. So basically the numbers in whose table 6 comes is the factors of the number. So the first topic here is common factors. So now what is common factors? We will be given, suppose I have these two numbers as example, 4 and 18. We have to find the factors of 4 and 18. So first we will write the factors of 4. Factors of 4 will be 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 18 will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So what we do in finding common factors, after writing the factors, we will see which are the numbers, which are the factors which are common. So here 1 is common for both and then 2 is common for both. So we will write common factors are 1 and 2. Now, this was one example. Now suppose if I have another example. See, consider here another example, 4 and 15. Here we will write the factors of 4 as 1, 2 and 4 because 4 comes in the table of 1, 2 and 4. Now we will write the factors of 15. Factors of 15 will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. So now what we will do? We will find the common factors. So we will see here. Here only number 1 is the common factor. So we will write here the common factor is number 1. But children, observe. Here we got common factors as 1 and 2, and if we have other number we will get other factors also. But here what we have got is common factor as 1. 1 you will get common factor for all the numbers because all the numbers come in the table of 1. So such numbers whose common factor is only 1 are known as co-prime numbers. What is it called? It is called co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only 1 as their common factors. So whenever you have been given any number whose common factor is only 1, then such numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Now, like we saw common factors, so the next topic is common multiples. So what is the difference between factors and multiples? Factors are numbers in whose table the given number comes. Suppose 6, for 6 the factors will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 6 comes in the table of its factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. But what will be the multiples of 6? Multiples of 6 will be 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and so on. So now suppose we have an example 4 and 8. So what will be the common multiples? Like we write common factors, similarly we will write the multiples of 4 first, right? Multiples of 4 will be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28 and so on. I have written till 4 tens are 40. Similarly, multiples of 6, I have written 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 till 6 tens are 60. Now, for common multiples also, we will first circle the multiples which are common for both the numbers. So we will observe here. First common multiple is 12. 12 is common in both 4 and 6. Next what is common? 24. 24 is common in both. And next is 36. So children, multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36 and so on. What does so on mean? So on means it keeps on going further. So what multiple has one property, that is, it is infinite. What does it mean? Like if I have multiple of 4, this is 4 tens are, now 4 20s are, 4 25s are, 400 times, 4000 times, and it can keep going further and further. We can keep extending this. Similarly, multiple of 6, here I have written till 10 times, then we can extend it to 6000 times, 1 lakh times, and so on. So basically the multiples are infinite. Suppose if multiples are infinite, then the common multiples also will get extended and they will also be infinite, right? So if the multiples are infinite, so there will be infinite common multiples. So this was the topic for today. Now let us see exercise 3.4. So exercise 3.4, I will solve one example, one from each example, one from each question. So first question, let us see. First A part I will solve. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. Now first, factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, then 4, 5. 20 comes in the table of 4, 5, and then 10, and then 20. Now factors of 28. Factors of 28 will be 1, 2, it doesn't come in table of 3, 4 again, 4 sevens are 28, so 7, then it doesn't come in 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it comes in 14, and then after that 28. So what are the common factors? We will circle them. 1 is common, 2 is common, and then 4 is common. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4. Now question number 2. Again you have to find the common factors, but you have been given 4 numbers, right? 3 numbers. So you have to find the factors of all the 3 numbers. Question 2, you will do it yourself, because I have already explained how to find the common factors. Here you will find out, question number 2, you have been given 3 numbers. You have to find factors of all 3 numbers, and whichever factor is common will be the common factor. Now coming to question number 3. Question number 3, let me take the A part. Find the common multiples of 6 and 8. Now we will see multiples of, first we will find out multiples of 6. So multiples of 6 will be, they have asked first 3 common multiples. Okay, so let us 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 36, 6 sevens are 42, 48, 54, and 60. 6 tens are 60. Now multiples of 8. So multiples of 8 is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So I have written till 10 times, right? Now we have to find out the 3 common multiples. Let us see the first one. First common is 6, 12, 16, 24. So the first common factor is 24. Next will be 30, 36, 48. So next common will be 48. Now let us see what is next. 54, 60, 56, 72, 80. So we are not getting next third number, so we will extend it further. 60. After that you keep adding 6. So this will be 66, then 72. Now 72 is common. 72 we get common here. We need not extend this because we already got here. So first 3, there was first 3, right? So first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72. So that is how you find out the common multiples. Now the next question number 4. Question number 4 is an interesting question. You have to write all the numbers which are less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So what you will write? First you will write multiples of all the multiples of 3 and all the multiples of 4, but they should be lesser than 100, right? Now in that you will find out the common multiples. So you have to find out the multiples that are multiples of 3 and multiples of 4, but they should be less than 100. So I have already explained how to find the common multiples. So question number 4, you will do it yourself. Okay, do it yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me in doubt clearing session. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, which of the following numbers are co-prime? Let me explain you first question. What are co-primes? Co-primes are the number which have only 1 as their common factors. So what they have given you? 18 and 35. Now let us find out the factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3 6 are 18, so 6. It comes in the table of 9. 9 2s are 18 and then 18. Now factors of 35. Factors of 35 will be 1. Then it comes in the table of 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Then 35 after that. After that 35 only, right? So what do we have common here? We have only one common factor, that is 1. So since the common factor is only 1, therefore 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Similarly, you will also find for others. Are they co-prime or not? Okay. Now coming to question number 6. This you pay attention. This is very simple question, but asked in a different manner. So I want to explain that. So the 6th question is, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Okay. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Find the other numbers by which other numbers will that number will be always divisible. So suppose x is the number. It is divisible by 5 also. It is divisible by 12 also. Now they are asking, find out by which other number the number will be always divisible. So you have to find out another number by which the number will be always divisible. Now I will give you an example. 6. Suppose 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 3. So 6 is also divisible by 6. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So we see that if a number is divisible by two numbers, it will always be divisible by the product of the factors. So if the numbers is divisible by 5 and 12, then the number will be divisible by 5 into 12, that is 60. The number will be always divisible by 5 into 12 divisible by 60. Always. Understood? So if a number is divisible by two numbers, then it will be always divisible by its product. Now 7th question also. It is a similar question. I wanted you to try, but I'll give you a hint. You all try, okay? But I'll give you the hint. A number is divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will the number be divisible? Now what they have given is, see here, they have given the number is divisible by 12, right? So by which other number it will be divisible? So suppose x is given, it is divisible by 12. Now by which other numbers it will be divisible? Suppose instead of 12, I take 6, here I 12. 6 can be divided by 1 and 12. I am writing the factors, right? It can be 2 into 6. It can be written 4 into 3, right? So since if a number, see here, if a number is divisible by these two numbers, then it will be divisible by its product. Now what we have already been given, we have been given the product. So we have to find out the factors. So the number will be divisible by all its factors. So by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. They are nothing but the factors of the number. I have already solved it here. See here. You can complete the exercise 3.4. Thank you so much.